In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and reinstall Steam games step by step so you can free up space, fix a broken install, or get a game back on your PC in just a few minutes. This is a super simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can be a little confusing the first time. So I'll walk you through everything clearly, from removing a game properly in Steam to downloading it again on the right drive. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam and go to your library. This is where all of your installed and uninstalled games are listed. On the left side, you'll see your game library in a list, and this is where you want to find the game you want to remove. Once you've located it, right-click on the game title. That opens up a menu with a few different options. From that menu, hover over Manage. When you do that, a submenu will appear with more options related to the game. In that submenu, click Uninstall. Steam will then ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the game. This is an important step because once you confirm, Steam will begin deleting the game files from your drive. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Steam will now remove the game from your computer. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a moment, but once it's finished, the game will no longer take up space on that drive. This is really useful if you need to clear storage, troubleshoot a game, or simply remove something you're not playing anymore. Now, if you want to reinstall the game later, the process is just as easy. Go back to your Steam library and find the game again. Uninstalled games usually appear grayed out, so they're still in your library, just not currently installed. Click on the game's main page to open it. On that page, you'll see a blue install button. Click that to begin the reinstall process. Steam will then ask you to choose a location. This is where you select which drive or library folder you want the game installed on. If you have multiple drives, make sure you choose the one with enough free space for the game. After selecting the location, click Next, then Finish. Once you do that, Steam will automatically begin downloading the game again. You can watch the download progress in Steam, and once it's complete, the game will be ready to launch just like before. So that's how to uninstall and reinstall Steam games quickly and safely. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where the Manage menu and Install button are, the whole process becomes very easy. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials, tips, and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.